Welcome to Linux Help. What is AI SmartCaller? AI SmartCaller is an efficient, dependable, and secure communication platform designed to meet business requirements. This application facilitates the creation of voice campaigns for organizations and enables the management of campaigns while improving call routing, queuing, and IVR through a cloud-based PBX system. AI SmartCaller offers a range of features, including a cloud call center, announcement campaigns, click-to-call campaigns, voice OTP, missed call campaigns, and voice broadcasting. In this course, we will explore various topics and provide comprehensive guidance on the effective use of AI SmartCaller. The topics we are going to cover in this course: how to create extension on AI SmartCaller, inbound route on AI SmartCaller, outbound routes on AI SmartCaller, trunks on AI SmartCaller, system recordings on AI SmartCaller, ring groups in AI SmartCaller, follow me for an extension in AI SmartCaller, queues in AI SmartCaller, blacklist entries in AI SmartCaller, IVR on AI SmartCaller, music on hold module in AI SmartCaller, callback on AI SmartCaller, time groups and time conditions in AI SmartCaller, modules in AI SmartCaller, agents in AI SmartCaller, conference in AI SmartCaller, backup and restore in AI SmartCaller. We are going to see the step-by-step process for all those topics in AI SmartCaller in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.